Ready, start. Criminal Appeal Number 808 2012 is filed by accused numbers 1, 2, and 4 to 9. Criminal Appeal Number 1516 2012 has been filed by the third accused, and Criminal Appeal in bracket 5 numbers 746 2012 has been filed by PW1 challenging the acquittal of accused numbers 10 to 13 and 15 to 26. Para. A person named P.V. Muhammad, while going to the mosque for his morning prayers on 7 6 2004 at about 5 a.m., was attacked by a group of persons with deadly weapons. On account of the injury sustained by the victim, he died. Firoz, son of P.V. Muhammad, who was following his father, was also attacked and he also suffered an injury. Case was charge sheeted against 26 accused persons under section 143, 147, 148, 341, 302, 301, R/W 149 of the IPC under section 120B, 153A and 212 of the IPC Act. The prosecution examined PW1 to PW22 and proved exhibits P1 to P48, MO1 to MO30 series were produced and identified. Court below convicted accused numbers 1 to 9 and accused numbers 10 to 13 and 15 to 26 were acquitted. 14th accused was absconding and hence the case against him was split up. Criminal A in bracket 5 numbers 746 12 and cases. Accused numbers 1 to 9 were convicted and sentenced to suffer imprisonment for life for the offense under section 302 Section 149 of the IPC. They were also convicted and sentenced to undergo imprisonment for 6 months each for offense under Section 143 and 147, 149 IPC and under Section 148 of IPC, and simple imprisonment for 1 month for the offense under Section 341, 149 of the IPC. The third accused was convicted and sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 7 years and to pay a fine of rupees 5,000, in default of which to undergo simple imprisonment for a period of 1 month for the offense under section 707 of IPC. Paragraph. The case of the prosecution is that there was communal enmity between RSS and workers and NDF workers on account of a fight between one Vancheri Chandran and Valiyal Puriyal Faisal belonging to the aforesaid rival factions. 3 crimes were registered pursuant to various incidents that occurred on account of communal disharmony. As a retaliatory measure, the RSS workers hatched a conspiracy to murder P.V. Muhammad. Pursuant to such a conspiracy, accused numbers 1 to 20 formed themselves into an unlawful assembly and accused numbers 1 to 9 proceeded to Punnad and accused numbers 10 to 20 stationed at a place known as Criminal A oblique 5 number 746 oblique 12 cases Padikachal. On the fateful day when P.V. Muhammad was proceeding to the mosque for his morning prayer, he was wrongfully restrained and brutally attacked by using deadly weapons. He suffered 20 ante-mortem injuries. Son of P.V. Muhammad, Sri Firoz was behind him and going to the mosque. On seeing that act, he tried to interfere. The third accused, Brandished, brandished a sword which caused a grievous injury on the hand of Firoz. After inflicting injury on P.V. Muhammad, the accused ran away. P.V. Muhammad was taken to AKG Hospital, Kannur, and thereafter to Medical Hospital, Pariyaram. He succumbed to the injuries while proceeding to Medical College Hospital, Pariyaram, and was declared dead at 6:45 a.m. PW3 had given the first information statement to the police. Exhibit P1 is the FIS and Exhibit P1A is the FIR. PW22 conducted investigation and submitted the final report. Paragraph. The doctor who conducted post-mortem of the deceased opined that Muhammad died due to bleeding from multiple cut injuries which he had sustained. Court below found that the oral testimony of PW1, PW2, PW4 and PW5 who are eyewitness to the incident proves the prosecution against case number criminal A5 number 746/12 cases to 9. Their evidence is corroborated by medical evidence that apart the weapons were recovered based on information given by accused numbers 1 to 9 which further proves involvement of the accused in the crime. It is based on the said finding that the court below convicted and sentenced the accused as stated above.